How to create reels on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on this channel. If you're not familiar to Facebook Reels, let me show you the quick process of creating them. Once you open up the app of Facebook, you should have a plus icon on the top, and if you tap on it, you'll see an option of Reels right here. If you don't see that option, you can tap on your profile icon on the top left, and if you scroll down from here, you'll see a section of Reels. Tap on the Reels option and you'll have an option of Create Reels. Tap on this option, and now either you can take a video straight away or upload it from your gallery. Just tap on the video and the video will be selected. Now through this section you can add in a few things to your video, just such like audio. If you tap on the audio option, tap on add music. You can add in all of these music which are available on Facebook. To add them, just tap on the music and the music will be selected. Other than this, you can also add in text. If you want to type anything on the video, you can add in effects and stickers. After you made all the changes, tap on next on the bottom right. And lastly, you can type in captions for your reels. Or you can also add in hashtags to increase the reach of your reels. Type in everything that you need and make sure that it is selected to public, and then tap on share reel. And the reel will start to upload on your Facebook. Once the reel is posted, you'll see all of your posted reels on the reel section right here. So that's the exact way of creating reels on Facebook. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you guys like this video. I'll be soon back with more informative videos similar to this. Thanks for watching.